Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Brex, a modern financial platform built specifically for startups, e-commerce brands, and tech-forward companies that need smart tools for managing credit, expenses, and cash flow all in one place. Brex aims to eliminate the complexity of traditional banking by offering an all-in-one financial solution tailored to fast-growing businesses. With Brex, companies can issue corporate cards with no personal guarantees, giving teams flexible spending options while keeping business and personal finances separate. The platform features real-time expense tracking and integrates seamlessly with accounting tools like QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Xero, which simplifies bookkeeping and saves time for finance teams. Brex also provides powerful spend management tools, including customizable card limits, automated receipt matching, and detailed analytics to help companies control expenses. The Brex dashboard gives administrators full visibility over spending patterns, budgets, and policy compliance. Additionally, Brex offers global reimbursements, travel booking integrations, and even rewards programs tailored to business needs. Security is a top priority for Brex. The app uses bank-level encryption and two-factor authentication, along with robust role-based access controls to protect sensitive company data. Pros of Brex include its no personal guarantee corporate card, deep integrations with finance tools, automated expense tracking, strong controls and analytics, and generous rewards. However, some users may find Brex less suitable for very small businesses or sole proprietors, and certain banking features may not be as comprehensive as traditional banks. Overall, Brex delivers a modern, intelligent financial experience that helps fast-moving businesses gain better control over their money while scaling with confidence. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.